Hey guys, T here. It's Eclipse Day. And we're taking no chances on messing our eyes up. So we're going to build a little pinhole camera so we can look at the moon cross in front of the sun and see what happens. So thanks for tuning in, guys. Please subscribe. Let's look. I got a little scrap piece of copper here. I'm going to drill a couple of holes in it, different sizes, and see if I can't use it as a pinhole camera. I think it's better to have a harder material here that'll give us a cleaner hole than if we just use a piece of paper. There's a bigger bit. That's probably too big. I don't know if that's too little. I think that's the smallest one I got. We'll clean this back off. We'll run these through just by hand, just to clean that hole out. Here we go, it's April 8th, 2024. Eclipse. There's a hole and pieces of copper.
Cool. It's hard to get focus.
We put this hole in here with us all. We're going to put a smaller one in with this push pin. Oh, cool.
That's the best one yet.
Yeah, it has sharp edges.
Yeah.
And just so you know, I did not stare up there at the sun even for a moment. Pretty smart, eh? Cool.